Hi guys, this is the video that the settings for the GPZ7000. This one will gonna be quick video, so please focus on my finger. Ground mode, gold type we put it on high heeled, ground type we will put it on normal. Volume will be 12. Sensitivity will be 15 to 17. Audio smoothing will be off. Screen backlight will be 20 seconds, and we make sure if you don't use this you are switching them off. Then you have to do the ground balance and the noise cancelling. So you will press here, press keep settings, then you follow the instruction. When the noise cancelling is finished, you will press the button behind the screen and you put the yellow piece on the ground and you do the ground balance. Thank you.